Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do number and numeration. Chapter 1, exercise 1.4. Now before we begin that, children, let's all revise place value according to the Indian system. Now what is the place value? It is the value of a digit depending on where it is in a number, depending on the position of the number. So first, now the Indian system. Now this is the Indian system, and this what we have here: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are the periods. Then ones, tens, hundreds which come under the ones period, thousands, 10,000s which come under the thousands period, lakh, 10 lakh which comes under the lakhs period, and crore, 10 crore which comes under the crores period are the places. So we have the periods here and we have the places here. Now if we have a number, what is the place value of each digit in this number? It depends on the position it is in this number. So let's begin with 5. Now look at 5. 5 is in the ones position, isn't it? It's in the ones place. So 5 ones are 5. So the place value of 5 is 5. Now look at 8. 8 is in the tens place. So the place value of this digit 8 is 8 into 10, 80. What is the place value of 1? 1 is in the hundreds position. So 1 into 100 will be 100. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in the thousands place. So 6 into 1000 will be 6000. What is the place value of 4? 4 is in the 10,000s place. So 4 into 10,000 is 40,000. What is the place value of 9? Where is 9? 9 is in the lakhs place. So the place value of 9 will be 9 lakh. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in the 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 2 will be 20 lakhs because we multiply 2 into 10 lakh. Now the next one is the digit 3. What is the place of 3 in this number? It is in the crores place. So 3 into 1 crore will be 3 crore. Now look at 7. 7 is in the 10 crores place. That means the place value of 7 will be 7 into 10 crore, which is 70 crore. So this is how you write the place value of a digit depending on where it is in the number, depending on the position. If it is 8, see which position it is in. It is in the tens position. So 8 into 10 is 80. Look at 4. 4 is in the 10,000s position. That means 4 into 10,000 is 40,000. So depending on where each digit is in the place value chart, you have to find the place value. Now this is according to the Indian system. Now let's look at the international system. So in the international system, we have ones, thousands and million, and these are the periods. Then under the ones period, we have ones, tens, hundreds. Under the thousands period, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now this is new. This is not there in the Indian system. We don't have 100,000. Instead, we have lakh. So in the international system, we have 100,000. And then what do we have? We have million, million, 10 million, 100 million. These are the places in the international system. So can you see in the international system, you have 3 digits in each period. So ones, tens, hundreds in the ones period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 in the thousands period, million, 10 million, 100 million in the millions period. Now let's take a number. So we have a number, we have put it in the place value chart. We are going to find the place value of each digit in this number beginning with 5. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in the ones place. So 5 into 1 is 5. Then let's take 8. 8 is in the tens place. So the place value of 8 will be 8 into 10, 80. Then 1 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 1 will be 1 into 100, 100. Then we go on to the thousands period. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in the thousands place. So 6 into 1000 is 6,000. Then we have 4. 4 is in the 10,000s place. So 4 into 10,000 will be 40,000. Now till here it's the same as the Indian system. So Indian system and international system are the same for 5 digits. After that it starts changing. Now, in the international system, what is the place value of 9? 9 is in the hundred thousands place. That means 9 into 100,000. 9 into 100,000 is 900. So you multiply 9 into 100, 900. 1000 will have 3 digits. 900,000. Then we go on to the next period, which is the millions period. And here we have 2 in the millions place. So 2, the place value will be 2 million. Can you see that? See how the commas also are placed? 3 digits, comma, 3 digits, comma. So in the international system, it's all in threes. Then we go on to the next digit, which is 3. The place value of this 3 is 10 million. That means 3 into 10 million will be 3 into 10 is 30, 30 million. So we write 30 million like this, 30 million. Then we go to the next digit, 7. Now 7 is the 100 millions place. So 7 into 100 is 700. 700 million is the place value. 700 million is the place value. So this is how we read the place value in the international system. Now that you have understood this, children, we can start with the exercise. So exercise 1.4 is found on page number 10. What does the first question say? Write the place value of the circled digits. So here there are some digits that have been circled. Now we have to write the place value of those digits. First, you have to see which system it is in. Is it the Indian system or the international system? Accordingly, you have to do. So look at the first one. So here we have ones, tens, hundreds. And here again we have 3 digits. So when you have 3 digits, comma, 3 digits, you know that this is the international system. But look at the digit here. The digit that has been circled is 6. And 6 is in the hundreds place. Ones, tens. See here we have ones, then we have tens, and here we have hundreds. So 6 is in the hundreds place. That means 6 into 100 is 600. So the place value of the circle digit 6 is 600. Next we have the place value of 0. Now this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 0 is in the thousands place. Now you have to remember, children, the place value of 0 wherever it is always 0. Now it is in the thousands place. If I say 0 into 1000, what will I get? I will still get only 0. I don't have to put 3 zeros or 4 zeros or 5 zeros. 1 0 is enough. So the place value of 0 wherever it is always 0. Now the next one, the place value of 3. 3 is in the ones place. So 3 into 1 is simply 3. So let's write that. 3 into 1 is 3. So the place value of 3 is 3. Now the next digit that is circled is 6. Now let's see which place this is in. So let's begin here. So this will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is 10,000. Now this one 6 will be 100,000 because this is in the international system. As you can see, 3 digits, comma, 3 digits, comma, 3 digits. So this is the international system. That means 6 is in the 100,000s place. So 6 into 100 is 600 and 600,000 means you write 600 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So 6 is in the 100,000s place. So the place value of 6 is 600,000. Now let's look at the next one. This is 5. Let's find the place value of 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now there are only 2 digits and comma. So it is the Indian system. Lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 5 is in the 10 crores place. So 5 into 10 is 50 and this is 50 crore. So before that we have the lakhs period, then we have the thousands period, and then we have the ones period. So you have to remember the periods before you write. So this is 50 crore. So this is the crores period. Remember, this is the crores period. This is the lakhs period. This is the thousands period and the ones period. Now let's go to the next one. Here 6. Let's find the place value of 6. Which system is this? This is the Indian system because we have the comma and 2 digits, comma 2 digits. So let's begin. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 6 into 10,000. 6 into 10 is 60,000. Will have 3 zeros. So 6, the place value here is 60,000. Next one, question G. What is the place value of 0? Remember what I said? 0, whichever position it is in, the place value is always only 0. The next one is the digit 3. What is the place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 3 is in the 10,000s place. So multiply 3 into 10, 30,000. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So the place value of 3 is 30,000. Question 2. Check the appropriate digits. That means the correct digits in the numbers for the given place value. So here it's a reverse of the previous question. In the previous question we were given digits and asked for their place value. Here place value is given to us and we have to find out where this digit is in the number. So what is the place of the 7? So let's see that. So here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 7 is in the 10,000s place in this number. There are so many 7s. You have to mark only the 7 which is in the 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So this is your answer. This one, not the other 7s. So you should be careful. Next, we have 500,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. That means you have to look for 5 which is in the 100,000s place. Let's look. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 is here and 5 is there. So let's mark this. So this is our answer. So we can tick it or circle it and mark our answer. Now the next one is 6 here. Let's read and see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 6 should be in the 10 crores place. So here it is 60 crore. So let's look for the 6 which is in the 10 crores place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 6 is here. So this is our answer, not the other 6 because this is in the 10 crores place. Let's look at the other number now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 8 is in the 10 millions place. So we have to look for the 8 which is in the 10 millions place. So let's look for the 8 which is in the 10 millions place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So here is 8. So let's mark that 8 here. Next one is 50 crore. So this is 50. So look for 50 which is in the crores place, that is 5. In the 10 crores place. So let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this 5 is in the 10 crores place. So that becomes 50 crore as it's given here. Next one is 200 million. 200 million. So that is 200 and then you have the million. It's in the millions place. Now 2 will be found in the 100 millions place. So let's look out for 2 in this question. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So can you see 2 here? 2 is here and this is in the 100 millions place. Question 3. Write the expanded form of these numbers. So what we have to do is we just have to write the place value of each digit in this number to expand it. So let's begin with the extreme left. The digit on the extreme left, which is 4. So we have to write the place value of 4. So we can take it all in the Indian system, or we can take it in the international system and write it as it is. Or all you have to do is take that digit 4, write it down. So we can write down that digit, and then after that count how many digits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put 5 zeros. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Then plus. Then we go to the next digit, which is 9. So 9 is here. So let's write 9 and count how many digits there are after that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take the next digit, which is 2. So write down 2 and count how many digits there are after that. 1, 2, 3. Put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. That's 2000. Now take the next digit, which is 6. So let's write down 6. And after 6, how many digits are there? 1, 2. That means 2 zeros. So 600. Then the next one is 5. So let's write plus 5. And after that, there's only one digit. So we put only 1 zero. That makes it 50. And what is left is 2. So can you see? This is how we write the expanded form. So you can put it in the Indian system. You can put commas. Like this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So we can read this as 4 lakh plus 90,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. So we have expanded this number by writing the place value of each digit here. So let's take the next one. So here also, let's begin with this digit. So this digit is 6. So let's write down 6 and let's count how many digits there are after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we can put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus. Let's take the next number after 6, which is 5. So 5. Let's count how many digits there are after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, so 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, let's take the next one, which is 0. So 0, remember the place value of 0, in whichever position it is, it's going to be only one single 0. Plus, let's take the next one. That is 3. Count how many digits are after 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll write 3 and put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Next one is 9. So plus 9. How many digits after 9? 1, 2. So 2 zeros, that makes it 900. Next one is 1. So let's write plus 1. And after that, there's only one digit. So we put 1 0. That makes it 10. And the last digit there is 2. So now we have written the place value of each digit and we have got our answer here, which is the expanded form. Next one, question C. Let's begin with digit 2. So this 2, we're going to write it here and count how many digits there are after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros we have. So that is 20 lakh plus. Now let's take the next digit, which is 3. Let's write 3 and put all the count all the digits after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3 lakh. Now we need to take the next digit. And the next one is 0. So we write just 0. Plus, again we have 0. We write just 0. Then the next one, we have 4. Now 4, we write down 4. And after 4, there are 2 digits. So we put 2 zeros. Plus. After 4, we have 8. So let's write 8. And after 8, we have one digit. So 1 0. And the last digit is 5. So what do we have? We have expanded this number 23 crore 485. 23 lakh 485. We have expanded it as 20 lakh plus 3 lakh. Then we have zeros plus 400 plus 80 plus 5. Next one. So here let's begin with this 5 here. So let's write down 5. Count the digits after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also 50 lakh. Let's take the next digit, and the next one, as you can see children, is 0. So 0 will be 0 everywhere. Plus let's take the next one, which is 7. So we've taken off 0. We have 7. Let's write 7. Count the digits after 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 70,000. Now let's take the next digit, which is 2. So let's write 2 and count the digits after that. 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros. Good. So that's 2000. Next, we're going to take the next digit, which is 1. So let's write 1. Count the digits after that. 1, 2. So 2 zeros. So that makes it 100. Plus, now after 1, what is the digit? We have 0. So 0, remember, will remain as 0. Then after that, we have the last digit, which is 9. We write it as it is. Let's begin with the first digit, which is 7. Let's count the digits after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So that is 70 lakh. Now let's take the next digit, and that is 5. Now let's write down 5 here and count the digits after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 lakh. Now let's take the next digit after that, which is 6. So let's write down 6. Count how many digits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after 6. So 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 60,000. Now let's take the next digit, which is 0. So when you write 0, you write 0 by itself. Only 1 0. Then the next digit is 8. So let's write plus 8. Count how many digits there are. 1, 2 digits after that. That makes it 800. Now let's take the next digit, which is 2, and 2 has only one digit after that. So put 1 0, that makes it 20, and the last digit is 0. So we have expanded all our numbers here. Next question. Question 4. Write the short form of the following numbers. So now we have the expanded form. We have to write the short form. So what we can do is, to make our work easier, let's start from the ones place. So in the ones place, we have 5. So this is ones, isn't it? So let's write 5 here in the ones place. Then here we have ones, tens. In the tens place, we have another 5. Then ones, tens, hundreds. This is the hundreds place. In the hundreds place also we have a 5. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In the thousands place we have 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In the 10,000s place, we have 7. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So in the lakhs place, we have 4. And here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. In the 10 lakhs place we have 3. So this is our number 34,74,555. So you can start from here and go all the way back so that you reach this last number. The next one, we have it here. Let's start here. Now here we have ones, tens. So this is in the tens place. That means we don't have anything in the ones place. So we put a 0. And in the tens place we put 1. Because here we have 1 in the tens place. Now here ones, tens, hundreds. So hundreds, in the hundreds place we have 2. Let's continue. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In the thousands place, what do we have? We have 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So this is 10,000. We have 4. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. In the lakhs place, we have 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In the 10 lakhs place, we have 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh crore. In the crores place, we have 4. So what is our answer? We have 4 crore 75 lakh 43,210. Next one, again, let's begin with the ones place. So here we have, in the ones place, we have 8. So this is ones. So let's write 8. Then ones, tens. In the tens place also, we have 8. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that means after ones and tens, we don't have a hundreds place. This is straight away a thousands place here. That means in the hundreds place, we should put a 0. And in the thousands place, we have another 8. Then let's continue. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In the 10,000s place, we have again another 8. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So in the lakhs place, again we have an 8. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. In the 10 lakhs place, we have another 8. So what's our number? 88 lakh, 88,088. Question D. Question D, let's begin with the last one, that is the one in the ones place. So in the ones place, we have 9. So let's write 9. Then here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is in the thousands place. That means after ones, we don't have tens and hundreds. That means we have to put two zeros. So in the tens place, we have 0. In the hundreds place, we have 0. In the thousands place, we have 9. So let's write 9. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So in the 10,000s place, we have 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So next is lakh. In the lakhs place, we have 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakhs place, we have 2. Then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So in the crores place we have 6. So now we have a number 6 crore 21 lakh 49,009. Don't forget to put the zeros where there are digits missing. So with this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining exercises. Thank you, children.